Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay Barash and I am going to show you how to navigate Kansas State University's website using Safari on a MacBook. So this is only useful for anybody that has Mac or Apple products. However, most of the internet sites are the same, but I'm going to show you how to bookmark the site and do stuff like that. So some of it will only pertain to those who have a Mac. So let's get started. First, you're going to open up Safari and you're going to click on the little plus sign that's right here. You're going to click on it. And we're going to type in ksu.edu. Now, if you notice right here, I have Blue Valley High School still bookmarked. Now, since I'm graduated, I do not need the bookmark for Blue Valley High School anymore. So I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to click delete. Now, I want to bookmark the K-State website because I will be going to it frequently. So I'm going to click on bookmarks and I'm going to click on add bookmark. We're going to call it Kansas State University, just how it is. We're going to click add. And if you notice, that popped up right here for us. So that's perfect. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to sign in, okay? So I'm going to click the sign in. Let's move me down here. The sign in button right here. And I want to sign in onto Connect, K-State Connect. So it's going to prompt me to enter in my K-State username and password. And I already have those saved onto my computer. Some of you don't have them chained through your keychain, so you'll have to type them in. But I have mine saved, so I'm going to click sign in. Now, K-State Connect, there's a few different options, as you saw when I clicked the login button for what to do. K-State Connect brings you to the calendar so you can see what's going on around the university today. As you can see today, there's a baseball game at Oklahoma and graduate applications closed, certain things like that. So it's really important that you know how to access K-State Connect as it gives you all of this information about what is going on around campus. Also on K-State Connect, it lets you download these apps right here. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. That is crucial because K-State is a Microsoft-run college. And so all of the apps do run through this. So if they're letting you download them for free on your computer and you don't already have them, it is important that you do download them because most professors will be looking for that. So right here where it says courses, you see the drop down. I'm going to drop it down. You can add and drop classes, change your transcripts, view your grades, stuff like that. Now, since I haven't yet enrolled in my classes, I'm doing that in a few weeks, I don't have anything here. But once I do enroll in my classes, they will all pop up here under courses, which is really cool. So that's kind of the gist of K-State Connects. Now let's go back to the website, the general website. I'm just going to click on K-State. Let's sign in and let's go to K-State Online. Now, fortunately for anybody in the Blue Valley District, K-State does use Canvas, which is awesome because we switched to Canvas this year. So you kind of know the gist of it, but I'm going to go over it once again. So typically, if I was enrolled in classes, they would all appear under the dashboard right here. It would tell me what's going on. And my grades, I would click this button, and my grades would also pop up in this area. But again, since I'm not enrolled yet, they're not there. You click on calendar, and everything for all your classes will pop up here. Again, I'm not enrolled, but they would if there's that. So this is Canvas. This is where you'll be able to see your grades, where your professors will post any attachments, anything you missed in class if you weren't there. Everything will be on Canvas, which is super nice for us since we are used to that. So now let's go over to webmail. One of the nice things about K-State is they give you an email, right? Like every college. You use that email for everything throughout the time you're there. So it already signed me in. K-State is an Office 365 program. So all your email is run through Microsoft Office 365. So as you can see, even though I'm not yet enrolled in any classes at K-State, I still get plenty of emails. Now, just last week, I applied for housing and I secured my room. As you can see, they sent me an email that told me where my room was and all of that. They also send crucial updates, like if there's a fire, for example, and things like that. So it's really important that you know how to access your email, as K-State uses that as a source for them to get information across to you. So that's the K-State University Office 365 webmail program. So I'm just going to go back until I'm on the core website. So that's the gist of the programs up here. You really don't have to use very many others. So if you want to know what the student life has to do with at K-State, the easiest way to see all of the involvement that you can get a part of is to click on the student life and click on get involved. Now here it shows you everything you can do, ranging from student government to tutoring to Greek life, and all of that is listed here, which is really, really cool. You can search for anything you want. It'll show you the places you can live, which is awesome. The K-State Student Union, you can look at that, which is really cool. It shows you everything that the K-State Student Union has to offer you, which is awesome. So that's really cool. And I'm just going to go back again. So let's go back to the main website. If you have not yet applied for K-State, but you would like to apply, scroll down, go right here to where it says apply, hashtag the Wildcat Way. It'll tell you all of the different ways you can apply, which if majority of us will be incoming freshmen. So here's all of that, which is really cool. It talks about all of the requirements that you have to be a part of the K-State family. Right here, it shows how the national rankings for K-State are so high. K-State is number 2 in student love colleges, number 3 in the best quality of life, and number 6 in happiest students, which is really cool. I'm very excited to go there. You can learn about financial assistance and some of the scholarships. So I went on to this website right after I applied in early fall and looked at all of the scholarships that I could apply for. And I applied, and I actually got a leadership scholarship through them, which is really awesome. They gave me a lot of money to go to the school, and it's so cool because K-State's process is a very, very short. Like, we're in state, so you click there. And you just fill out one big scholarship application that works for all of these listed. And if you meet the criteria for them, you just get the scholarships. So that's really cool, really simple. So you'd click this and it'll take you to the application, how you can apply, what you need to apply, and all of that. So it's very short, very fast, and you get money to go to the school, which is awesome. If ever you don't know how to get to something on the website, another thing you can do is search. So let's say that I can't figure out where housing is listed under these tabs. I'm just going to search housing up here in the search bar. Click enter. Oh, I must have hit back. Hang on. Type in housing, click enter. Right here, it takes you to the housing and dining portal, which is so cool. They have a search option. You can search for anything you need on the website and it'll just pop right up. So that's one of the things that I love about the K-State website. I think it is very easy to navigate, easy to get a hold of. It's Microsoft 365, which is something that we are used to coming out of Blue Valley. It runs on Canvas, which is awesome for our classes. There's just so many benefits to the K-State website, and I hope you learned a little bit about how to navigate it. Thank you so much for watching.